Hello everyone, my name is Arslan Ahmad and I will be completing my Teach 1 assignment on project control. The purpose of using project control method is to monitor the progress rate of the project while the project is being completed. It allows organization to assess any risk related to the project for both duration of the project and the total cost of the project. It also allows organization to address any issues related to the project that might affect the completion of the project. We will use the data given in this table to help us calculate the current progress of the project and any future expectation of the project. From the given table, you can see that only 3 tasks have been completed. Using critical paths, the project is expected to be completed within 12 weeks. Tasks A and B have taken twice as much as time as expected. Using the information given in the table with the expected and actual duration of the tasks, this Gantt chart was created to track the progress of the project. The first 3 tasks have been completed. The blue lines indicate the planned duration of the task, and the red line shows the actual duration of the task. From the Gantt chart, you can see that the project has already been delayed by 3 weeks. Rate of performance is used for work measurement to observe performance as compared to the expected standard of performance. It is calculated by taking the duration of all the completed tasks and dividing it by the planned duration. Since task C is not on the critical path, we will not be using task C for our calculations. Instead, we will only be using task A and B to calculate the rate of performance. From the given table, you can see that the total actual duration for the first 2 tasks is 6 weeks, while the expected duration is 3 weeks. We will divide the actual duration by the planned duration, which gives us 2.0 or 200%. This means that the actual duration to complete the project is twice as long as the planned duration. We will use the rate of performance to calculate the expected duration of the project. It gives organization an estimate of about how long the project will take to complete based on the current progress. Expected duration is calculated by multiplying rate of progress by the planned duration of the project. In our case, the rate of progress is 2.0 and the planned duration of the project is 12 weeks, which gives us the total expected duration for the completion of the project of 24 weeks. The total delay for the project completion tells organizations the extra amount of time that the project will take for completion. It also helps organizations calculate the extra budget it will take for the completion of the project. Delay for the project is calculated by subtracting the planned duration from the estimated duration of the project. In our case, we get 12 weeks, which is the extra amount of time it will take for the completion of the project. Total project expenditure for the completion of the project, according to the data given, is $31,500. The estimated budget is based on expected duration, which in our case is twice as much as anticipated. The longer the project goes on for, the more budget is required. But to estimate exactly how much more budget will be required, we need to know the total amount of money spent on the completion of first 2 tasks, which information is not provided in the table. Therefore, the data provided is just not enough for us to calculate the total estimated budget. By using the project control method, we can measure the current performance towards the completion of the project by comparing it against what was initially anticipated. It gives organizations an overview of the progress so that organizations can manage their expectations for the project to set more realistic and achievable goals. Project control method also help organizations make important decisions and changes based on the current progress of the project. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you find it helpful.